Are you looking to turn your gardening passion into profit? Well, you're in the right place. In today's video, I'm going to share with you the top 7 easiest crops to grow for profit that anyone can start, even if you're a complete beginner. So grab your gardening gloves and let's dig in. Hey everyone, welcome back to Ibrahim Momo. If you're looking to dive into the world of farming and want to know which crops can bring in some serious cash with minimal effort, you're in the right place. Today we're talking about the easiest crops to grow for profit. Let's get started. First off, let's talk about why choosing the right crops is crucial for profitability. Some crops require a lot of time, effort, and resources, while others can thrive with just a little care. So, let's explore some of the best options. Our first crop is radishes. These little guys are not only super easy to grow, but they also have a quick turnaround time. You can harvest them in as little as 3 to 4 weeks. Plus, they're popular in salads and can be sold at local markets. Just plant them in well-drained soil and you're good to go. Next up, we have lettuce. This leafy green is a favorite among health-conscious consumers. It grows quickly and can be harvested multiple times if you use the cut-and-come-again method. Just make sure to keep it well-watered and you'll have a steady supply to sell. Herbs are another fantastic option. Basil, mint, and cilantro are easy to grow and can be sold fresh or dried. They don't require much space, and you can even grow them in pots if you're short on room. Plus, they're always in demand at farmers' markets and restaurants. Moving on to green beans. These are not only delicious, but also very productive. They can be grown vertically, saving space, and they yield a lot of produce. Just plant them after the last frost, and you'll be harvesting in about 50 to 60 days. They're perfect for selling fresh or canning, making them a versatile choice for profit. Next on our list is zucchini. This summer squash is incredibly easy to grow and produces a high yield. Just a few plants can provide you with more zucchini than you know what to do with. They thrive in warm weather and can be sold at local markets or even to restaurants looking for fresh produce. Now let's talk about potatoes. They're a staple food and can be quite profitable. While they take a bit longer to grow, around 70 to 120 days, they're relatively low maintenance. Plus, you can sell them in various forms, fresh baked or even as specialty varieties like fingerlings. Finally, we have sunflowers. Not only do they brighten up your garden, but they can also be a great source of income. You can sell the seeds, use them for oil production, or even sell the flowers themselves. They're easy to grow and attract pollinators, which is a bonus for your other crops. Before we wrap up, here are a few quick tips for growing these crops successfully. 1. Start small. If you're new to farming, begin with a small plot to manage your time and resources effectively. 2. Research your market. Know what crops are in demand in your area to maximize your profits. 3. Soil health. Invest in good soil and compost to ensure your plants thrive. 4. Watering. Regular watering is key, especially for crops like lettuce and herbs. 5. Pest management. Keep an eye out for pests and diseases and use organic methods whenever possible. And there you have it, the easiest crops to grow for profit. These crops not only require minimal effort, but can also yield great returns if managed well. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Ibrahim Momo for more tips on farming and gardening. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. I want to hear from you. Let me know in the comments which crops you're excited to try, or if you have any questions about starting your own garden. Your feedback helps me create content that you love. Thanks for watching and happy growing. See you in the next video.